Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing how Google Pay is trying to become WeChat in India. Here we are gonna open Google Pay India app. As you can see here in this app, if we go in this explore section, you can see this explore section. Here you can see there are various businesses which are listed and there are offers too. You can see all the offers here and it says popular businesses here. And if we go down, if we scroll down, you can see there is food section. Here you can see the well-known apps like Zomato, McDonald's app, Oven Story, and if you wanna see the one of the famous app like Swiggy, if we go in this food section, you can see here there is Swiggy as well, Boxit, Swiggy, and if you go in this Zomato, you can see my previous orders, means payments, and in order section, if you go on order now, so here you can sign in. I just want to demonstrate, so I am not gonna sign in now. So here you can see all the restaurants which are nearby, and you can directly order from here. Let me show this restaurant a little bit. Yeah, so here you can directly order through this app. You don't even have to install Zomato. You can directly go through this Google Pay app. I think this is an amazing feature which Google Pay has brought in Indian market. We can see the WeChat app which is available in China. It also has this feature where it is like a all-in-one app. You can do everything through just one app. If we scroll down below, you can see Dunzo is also available here. Dunzo app is also available where you can buy groceries and you can get anything transferred from one place to another. In finance, you can see there is 5paisa app, which is a stock trading app, Grow app, which is a well-known mutual fund app, as well as they also started stock trading also. You can buy gold also from here. In travel, you can see Make My Trip app, which is very famous, Red Bus, Yatra, IRCTC, which is like Indian Railway app. You can book tickets also here, train tickets, long distance train tickets. In shopping, you can see, I don't know much about this. I only know about this Ajio. I think it's a Reliance brand. So you can buy clothes, I means glasses, lens and all. And local services, you can see, you can search for jobs. You can book Ola ride. The taxi service, which is like Uber. In India, we have Uber as well as there is an alternative called Ola. There is Korma Jobs, which is a Google app, I think. Urban Company, where you can get all the services like home cleaning, home massage, as well as all beauty and other stuff. You can see there are games also. So it is like a WeChat app in China. Everything is in one app. I like this feature of Google Pay India because now see you don't have to install so many apps. Everything you can use just in this app, like the WeChat in China. So if you don't see any, if you wanna search, you can search here like Uber. If I wanna book a taxi, I can search Uber here, I can see this Uber business. I will go in there. If I Okay, so it is redirecting me to install Uber app. Okay, for the first, in the beginning, I think you need to set up the app. See, there's a setup button. Once you set up, then I think we don't need any other apps. So I think this is a very good thing which is brought by Google Pay India app. You guys can check it out. The only thing is Google will know everything about us, where we are buying food from, where we are shopping. So they will get big amounts of data. And by that data, I don't know what they might be doing, but you can see all the coupons and all discounts are also available here inside a single app. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys later. Bye.